How to add Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your CJ Dropshipping account and make sure that you are logged in to your Shopify account in another tab. So once you're here, click on my CJ icon at the bottom right of the screen and then click on authorization. When this page opens, make sure that you are on the Shopify app. Once you are, click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. You will be brought to this page that shows you the steps, which I will reveal right now. Click on authorize at the bottom of the screen. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store, in which you want to add the CJ Dropshipping app to your store. You will be redirected automatically to the installation page. Click on install app. This will install the app to your store. Once the app has been installed, you will be brought back to the CJ Dropshipping website, from which you need to click on authorize the store to the CJ account, and once you do that, the account will be linked and connected to your Shopify store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can link and connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.